Just go here. This nice garden. Oh, the small. That's a small pond here. What's this? Fish pond. That's nice one. Oh, you see? Hey. Oh yeah, this is a pink rose. You like that color a lot, no? I don't know. Are you a pink lady? Wow, it's nice here. You come here. You go there. Under the tree.
Oh, you want me to climb?
Yeah, no, don't climb. No, I mean it's really nice. The color, it's really green. It's really green. Hey, show up! Why don't you show yourself? Yeah. So you're acting like you're going up.
What? I can do it now.
No, don't. You look like a monkey climbing on the tree.
I can do it.
You look like a monkey climbing on the tree, huh? Wow. This garden is heaven. Look at the roses over there. There's a lot. Wow. Oh my God, look at the color in here. In here is so nice. It's so nice color. So green, no? Next time you bring chair with Frank and then just sit down here to relax. Just relax and while you quarrel. Oh, it's nice. Look at the roses. Great. Huh? Yeah, that one is nice. It seems that you're going to take a wedding photo. Okay. Wait a minute. It's nice. So red, no? What? Oh yeah? Yeah, you should, huh? Wow, look! What kind of plant is this? This one.
I don't know what's the name.
It's alive or what? What the color is like that?
Normally it's green.
Or it's dying?
Normally it's green.
Yeah, but it's dying, I think.
No, it's not dying. Maybe it's like this. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Green. I don't know why it's
Maybe there's no.
brown. No, it's like brown. No.
Yeah, it's dying, or maybe it's just changing. Look at these leaves. It's very ordinary. Look. It's nice, no? Oh my goodness. What a nature. And this is a nature as well. The girl is walking. A nature woman. Wow, look at that. Oh, she's talking by herself. Huh? Yeah. Wow, look at this garden. Yeah.
want to pick one.
Come on, you take a picture with that.
No, I want to
You go with, yeah, it's so nice, huh?
pick this one. I can't do it.
Take off your eyeglasses. You wanna take one?
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can. Hide it.
You don't have bags.
I have. Put it inside your jacket then.
No, you will die.
Yeah, you can take some, no?
Later.
You take one.
How will
What is this? Yeah, it's so nice. No, it looks like a plastic.
Yeah.
Oh no, I think it's gone to rain or what?
Yeah. No. Not going to rain.